We are at Crosby's production plant in Växjö, Sweden, where millions of rigging components are produced every year under the product brand Gunnebo Industries. In the lifting and rigging industry, a hook is a critical component that ensures the safe and efficient lifting of heavy loads. Today, we are taking you behind the scenes to show you how a hook is made. Let's head on in and find out.
Hi, my name is Per Lundqvist. I'm the site manager for the Crosby component factory in Växjö, located in the southern part of Sweden. Here, 200 dedicated employees transform raw steel into safe and high-quality rigging and lifting components in the Gunnebo Industries brand. You will get the opportunity to go behind the scenes and see our production processes, meet the skilled workforce, see high level of automation, efficient processes, and standardized quality control to ensure customer satisfaction. Every day, we turn tons of billets like this into ready-to-use components like the Gunnebo Industries BK hook and many others. Welcome to Crosby in Växjö. Let's go!
First stop is learning how a hook is engineered. Frederick Sandberg, our product engineering manager, will walk us through this.
We have all the engineering resources to develop safe and innovative lifting components and comply with all the relevant standards. We have skilled design engineers, project managers, test engineers and material experts in-house. Our design starts in 3D modeling and advanced simulation tools. Prototyping is done in-house in our own 3D print shop. After production startup, we can evaluate the outcome in our test lab, where we can perform functional tests as well as metallurgical evaluations.
Now let's get into the production process with raw material that is later turned into hooks. Every year, approximately 4,000 tons of steel are used in our production plant here in Växjö to create high-quality products that serve industries worldwide. For our hooks, that material is steel. Strong, durable, and resistant to wear. The quality of the raw material is the foundation of everything. It must withstand pressure, extreme conditions, and time. It all starts with steel rods, carefully selected for durability and strength. Each rod is cut to a predetermined length. Each hook requires precision, so this step ensures that the materials are ready for further shaping. Before any cutting begins, each steel rod is inspected thoroughly. The dimensions must meet exact specifications. Only the best materials make it to the next stage. It is this attention to detail that allows us to create hooks with the strength and reliability that Gunnebo Industries is known for. Once approved, the steel rods are carefully placed into our advanced cutting machines. These machines use high-powered blades designed for precision cutting. The tooling process begins with 2 square steel blocks, which are precisely milled to the correct dimensions and shape using high-precision milling machines. After the tool is used in the forge, the tooling department conducts a quality inspection. If necessary, the tool undergoes grinding, milling, welding, and refurbishment to restore it to perfect condition, ready for the next forging order. The tool department supplies tooling, fixtures, test equipment, and product tools to nearly every department on site. The next step in the process is forging. The process begins with an automated system that arranges and feeds each steel piece into the induction heater. Before forging, the steel must be heated to the exact temperature to maintain the Gunnebo Industries' strict standards. The induction heater is set to 1200 degrees Celsius to raise the metal's temperature, making it malleable without compromising its strength. Now comes the heart of the process, forging. The heated steel is placed into a design die that has the shape of the hook. A powerful forging hammer is used to shape the steel into the hook form by applying high pressure. After forging, the hooks are then moved to the trim tool, where excess material is trimmed away. This step ensures the hook meets exact specifications, removing any extra metal and refining its final shape. All the waste that is removed from the trim tool is then collected by a local recycling company for further use of different applications.
In our production process, quality is at the heart of what we do. We release production in the forge process after setup, only after approval of a dedicated quality technician. In the post-forge process, we perform visual and numerical checks as well as MPI of at least 3% of the parts according to the 1677 standard requirements. After heat treatment, hardness is measured and logged. All steps of our production process have defined operator quality checks. At the end of the process, before painting, we perform 100% proof loading of our links, master links and hooks. We have full batch code traceability, even after shipping.
After forging, the hooks undergo heat treatment. This critical process enhances their strength, toughness, and durability, ensuring they can withstand heavy loads and harsh conditions. First, the hooks are heated to 950 degrees Celsius, transforming the steel's internal structure. This increases hardness and wear resistance, making the hooks stronger for demanding applications. Immediately after heating, the hooks are rapidly cooled in a quenching process, locking in their hardened state. While hardening increases strength, it can also make the steel brittle. To restore toughness and flexibility, the hooks undergo annealing. They are reheated to a precise temperature and slowly cooled, relieving internal stress and improving durability. Once heat treatment is complete, each hook is carefully measured and inspected. This guarantees they meet exact hardness, toughness, and dimensional specifications. After the heat treatment, the hooks go through the shot blasting process. This crucial step removes surface impurities. The process begins with tipping, where batches of forged hooks are loaded into the shot blasting machine. Inside the machine, high-speed steel shot pellets are blasted against the hooks. This process removes scale, rust, and excess debris from the forging process, leaving behind a smooth, clean surface. After the blasting is complete, the hooks are unloaded and ready for the next step. This step starts with a loading rack. Newly produced hooks are placed into labeling bins, ensuring they are stored systematically for easy access. As production or orders progress, hooks are taken from the unloading rack. This makes sure only the required quantity is used, minimizing waste and improving efficiency. When a bin is emptied, the Kanban card signals that replenishment is needed. Once an item reaches its reorder point, the Kanban system triggers an order placement. This just-in-time approach keeps inventory levels optimized, reducing storage costs while ensuring a steady supply of materials.
Most of the machines in the CNC department are loaded by robots. Depending on the product and process, different automation systems are utilized. Advanced automation is essential for ensuring a safe and efficient production environment. Operators and robots work together in milling, drilling, and grinding various lifting and rigging components.
Critical quality tolerances are continuously monitored and inspected throughout the process to guarantee high-quality components for our customers. The collaboration between operators and technicians drives continuous improvements in quality, efficiency, and manufacturing methods, resulting in shorter lead times across the processes.
For painting, each hook is placed on a conveyor system, ensuring even spacing for uniform paint application. Using automated sprayers, a uniform layer of protective coating is applied to each hook. This coating enhances corrosion resistance and improves appearance. Once coated, the hooks move into a 200 degrees Celsius heating chamber. This curing process hardens the paint, ensuring a tough and durable finish. After heating, the hooks go through a controlled cooling phase, allowing the paint to set properly, and ensures a high-quality, chip-resistant coating. It is important in the packing step that each hook is arranged according to type, size, and quantity. Once sorted and assembled, the hooks are placed into protective packaging so they remain undamaged during shipping and storage. With a streamlined process, shipments are dispatched once a day, ensuring timely and efficient transportation to customers. With a once-a-day shipping schedule, deliveries remain consistent and efficient. Whether traveling locally or internationally, each shipment follows a well-planned route to reach customers on time. This ensures that businesses receive their orders without delay, keeping production lines moving and supply chains uninterrupted.
So that's how a Gunnebo industry hook is made, from raw steel to perfectly made hook. Next time you see a hook, master link or lifting point, you will know the craftsmanship behind it. At our site in Växjö, securing hardware and safety components that is a part of a larger lifting system. And we have the experts who make sure that you get the right equipment and you get the job done in the safest way. If you want to learn more about our products, go to ketocrosby.com and see you in the next video.